So what do I think about Shifu and their new game Plugo? I think it's great. Kids seemed really engaged. What I really enjoyed was the variety that the Plugo app provides. If you noticed in the video when my kids were playing, you can see that they were really engaged with a lot of the storylines and the objectives that the app came up with. And I was amazed to see how they were thinking critically and they were planning what their next moves were going to be. I really liked, especially with count, how kids are introduced with number sense, arithmetic, with multiplication, subtraction, addition, and just learning place value, where to put their numbers. So that's a really neat tool for kids to learn place value and number sense. Very, very neat idea to introduce kids to some iPad apps where they're not only using the screen to control it. They have tangible manipulatives where they can touch, but it will control the screen and the characters on the screen. So it's kind of a refreshing new take on how devices can be used in the classroom or at home.